A Cash Giraffe password reset does not automatically mean your account is permanently locked. So the first step is to identify whether you are dealing with a login problem, a temporary security restriction, or an account issue. By the end, you'll know what to check after a password reset, how to avoid making the lockout worse, and when to contact Cash Giraffe support. Start by using the password reset method provided by Cash Giraffe, rather than repeatedly entering different passwords. Check the email address associated with your account, and make sure you are using the newest password reset message if you requested more than one. If you receive multiple reset emails, older reset links may no longer work. Open the most recent message and follow its instructions from the beginning. After changing the password, completely close Cash Giraffe and reopen it. Enter the updated credentials manually, instead of relying on an old saved password from your phone's password manager or browser. If the app keeps rejecting the new password, check whether your password manager is automatically filling an older credential. Delete the saved Cash Giraffe password temporarily. Then enter the new credentials manually. Next, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and try signing in again. A connection problem can look like a failed login when the app cannot properly communicate with its servers. Avoid repeatedly attempting to sign in if the account appears temporarily restricted. Continuous failed attempts can make troubleshooting harder, and changing the password multiple times can create confusion about which credentials are currently active. If Cash Giraffe opens but your account information, balance, or rewards are missing after the reset, do not immediately create another account. First, confirm that you signed into the same Cash Giraffe account you used previously. If you normally use Google, Apple, or another supported sign-in method, make sure you are selecting the same login method instead of accidentally creating or accessing a different account. You should also update Cash Giraffe through the Google Play Store or App Store if an update is available. Then restart your phone and try signing in again. If you still cannot access the account, collect the information support will need. Include the email address associated with the account, the approximate time the password was reset, the exact error message, your phone model, and the Cash Giraffe app version. Use Cash Giraffe's official support or contact option rather than creating a second account to bypass the problem. The key checks are simple. Use the newest reset link, enter the new password manually, verify the correct login method, test your connection, update the app, and stop repeated login attempts if the account appears restricted. Your next step is to try one clean login with the newest password. If that fails, document the exact error and contact Cash Giraffe support. If this fixed your Cash Giraffe account problem, like the video and subscribe for more reward app troubleshooting guides.